Welcome to BC Gnomonics. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Regiomontanus Universal Altitude Dial and its very simple function of finding the times of sunrises and sunsets. Now, this can be done for any of the included latitudes at any date. So the first step, much like using the dial to tell the time, is to set the articulated arm to the intersection of the latitude of use and the date of operation. Now, I'm right about at 44 degrees, so I will set the articulate arm right on this line. And as you can see, this corresponds with roughly the middle of Cancer, which just so happens to be the current date. Now, the next step is to align the dial with the horizon, so level it at 0 degrees of elevation. Normally, when you're using this dial, you're sighting the sun and translating its altitude above the horizon into an hour reading. Essentially, we're doing the same thing, except with the rising degree of the sun being 0. So rather than citing the current altitude, we're citing the altitude that we want the time reading for in advance. So the first step to doing this is to level it to the local horizon at 0 degrees, allowing the plumb bob to hang straight down toward the horizon. We then take a note of where the string falls on the hour scale. As we can see here, it's right between 4 and 5 a.m. and 7 and 8 p.m. So for this date, at this latitude, we can determine that the sun will rise at 4:30 solar time and set at 7:30 solar time. Now, this can be done for any latitude that's included and for any date. You simply move the articulated arm to the desired intersection and take the reading there. As you can see, we have a different reading for this location. And any location you set this to will work. As you can see, we identify the time of sunrise and sunset. This one is roughly 5:45 a.m. and 6:15 p.m. for the sunset. That will conclude this demonstration, and I thank you for watching.